Hi, this is hopefully a quick video on how to factory reset the TalkTalk provided Huawei HG633 router. So the factory reset port is between the USB and the Ethernet 4 on the back of the router, just there. And you'll need a reset tool, otherwise known as a paperclip, that you've bent out of shape. And I do want to show you the lights on the front of this while I do this. I'm going to have to describe when I'm pressing the reset button, and I'll see whether I can get into place. So, the trouble is I run the risk of pushing the router off of the desk, so let's see if I can do this. I'm going to hold the reset button down now. And let go of it once the power light has gone out. So on mine, on yours, the broadband and internet light will probably be on, and the Ethernet light, but on mine nothing's plugged in, so the only thing I had to go on was the wireless, and the power light went out. So the good indication is the power light needs to go out. The moment that power light goes out, you can unplug or take out your paperclip from the reset button. And there we go. If I look at my computer, the TalkTalk wireless name has come back. That previously wasn't there because I'd renamed the wireless network to make sure that when I factory reset it, it actually did factory reset. Hopefully this video is helpful. If you wouldn't mind subscribing, that would be really helpful to me. Thank you very much.